My name is Dr. Hunter Matthews. I'm an orthopedic adult reconstruction surgeon, which means I specialize in hip and knee replacement as well as non-surgical management of hip and knee pathologies. So I'm originally from Columbia, South Carolina, and that's where I did my undergraduate education. I then was in Charleston, South Carolina for medical school at MUSC. After that, I was really fortunate to be at Wake Forest University Hospital in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, which is where I did my orthopedic surgery residency. Then I chose to do an additional year of more subspecialized training by completing a fellowship in adult reconstruction or joint replacement at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta, Georgia. So total joint replacement has advanced a ton over the past 20 or 30 years. There's many new implants coming out yearly, and I think some of the big advancements have been robotic-assisted total joint replacement. I think that allows for more specific implant and more customizable implant for the patient, and it allows us to give our patients a joint that is well balanced and feels more natural to them. So the reason I chose Tidewater Orthopedic Associates is because it's a multi-specialty group. And what that means is we have providers here who are all orthopedic surgeons, but not only that, they all have more specific subspecialty training in a specific area of orthopedics. And the benefit of that to the patient is that you're seeing someone who is an expert in one area of the body. So you're not seeing someone who does surgery on every part of the body. You're seeing someone who really specifically focuses on one area, whether that's the foot and ankle, hips or knees, the spine, the upper extremity, and we have all that here, and I think that's one of the main reasons to choose Tidewater Orthopedics.